Welcome to day 5, my friends. So, it's been a struggle the past few days trying to get used to the iPad Pro for work and everything else. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been using that to watch my shows, my content. I still have been using this MacBook Pro when I go to bed to catch my shows, my dramas, just because I'm just so used to how this works and I know how it works. So today we'll be testing out watching content and entertainment on the iPad Pro and we'll see how things go. Let's get started. So I just connected the iPad to the screen and we're gonna check out Mandalorian on this just cause Baby Yoda is the best. I'm gonna use the AirPods Max to listen to this whole thing. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, what am I hearing? When he was like sliding a lightsaber, it was like the sound traveled from there to here. It's like, the sound's like all around me. I don't know how to explain this. This is awesome. Wow. This is insane. Guys, this is actually incredible. Watching shows on the iPad Pro with the AirPods Max is amazing just because of Dolby Atmos and the whole surround sound system that I'm experiencing with the AirPods Max. It makes it incredible watching stuff like Mandalorian. It just feels like sound is coming from everywhere around me, like the voice is coming from the front and the music, the background music is coming from the back. It just has like, it's just so, you can tell it's different. It's different from a stereo speaker. And I did a bit of research. This whole Dolby Atmos surround sound spatial audio thing with the AirPods can only be experienced on the iPad, the iPhone, but not on the Chrome browser or Safari browser on the Mac. So sadly, this feels like a plus over my Mac because watching shows with this effect is amazing. It just brings me back to the days where we could go to the theaters freely, safely, and without mask. Yeah, so with the AirPods Max and the iPad Pro, this feels like my own home theater setup and I love it.